Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am all right. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us talk about our subconscious mind and its power. Hidden power, I will tell you. Because you are knowing our subconscious mind is very, very strong. But we never understand it. For example, everyone is having a mind. So, everyone is having a powerful subconscious mind. Many times, we don't know the power of our subconscious mind. That is why it is said, people die before they open their eyes. People die before they open their eyes. We fail to open our eyes. Let me give you a short example. Suppose we are having a factory where 100 workers are there. But only 10 people work there. Actual work is done only by 10. Other 90 are just passing their time, going here and there, this and there. Now tell me, if out of this 90, again if some 20, 25 you start working, whether the production will increase? Yes, definitely. In the same way, actually we are using only 10% of our subconscious mind. Then what we have to do? We have to know about the subconscious mind and its work. For example, we are having two minds. One is outer mind, you can call. Another is subconscious mind, or you can call conscious mind and subconscious mind. And you are knowing our conscious mind or outer mind, if you want to call it. Our conscious mind works only when we are awake. When we sleep, our conscious mind sleeps. But our subconscious mind works all 24 hours, all 365 days, or lifelong. It works always. That is the subconscious mind. Or you can call it internal mind if you want. Now you are knowing how you can say that we are having subconscious mind. Okay, suppose you are going to get married. You meet many girls. Out of that, 2 or 3 you like. You feel whether to marry this girl or that girl. Or you want to settle in one place. You feel whether it is good to settle in the city or in the village, this city or that city. This is because your subconscious mind is erasing the doubts. And subconscious mind is the storehouse. And whatever happens, whatever you see, it is recorded there. Then you may tell me, then how I don't remember the things, what happened when I was small, or it only fails to recall. It is recorded there, but it fails to recall. Suppose you have studied very well and you go to appear the exam. What happens? One question, you feel that I know the answer, but I am not remembering, I am not able to recall it. You just think for 4-5 minutes and then you recall it. It means it was recorded in your subconscious mind. But remember that subconscious mind doesn't have any logic. It believes what you tell. Everything is recorded. It doesn't have any logic. It is only recorded there. It believes what you tell. If you say this is good, it believes it. So what we have to do? We are having both the minds, that is conscious and subconscious. But if the subconscious mind is active, or you do any work when you are conscious and subconscious both are together, then your work will be perfect. So if with the help of the subconscious mind, if you study any topic, that you will be able to study well. You will be able to recall it because you are revising it again and again. Your subconscious mind knows it. And that is why, my dear friends, what we have to do is, whatever we want to remember again and again, it should be recorded in the subconscious mind. That is why many times it is said, if we study whatever before going to sleep, we will be able to learn it well. We will be able to recall it well. So, whatever we want to remember, it should be recorded well in the subconscious mind. Because conscious mind, I told you, it sleeps when we sleep. But subconscious mind keeps on working day and night. It never rests. Then it needs rest. When you will give rest to your subconscious mind, when you go to a garden, when everything is there, greenery, or when you are playing with your pets, this is the time when our subconscious mind also gets some rest. It needs rest. That is why we should go to the garden, we should observe greenery, we should pass time with our pets. At that time, our subconscious mind gets some rest. Because all the time it is working, otherwise I told you, all 24 hours. Even when we sleep, our subconscious mind doesn't sleep. That is why before we go to the bed, whatever we do, whatever we study, that we can remember well. Or early in the morning, as soon as we get up, whatever we learn, that we can learn better. Because at that time, we are having fresh, both the minds, conscious and subconscious mind, both are fresh. And that is why we are able to learn it well. So our subconscious mind is powerful. It is having a lot of power. Only the thing is, we should know about the power of the subconscious mind, and we should harness it for our better. Do you agree with me? I think you are. Okay then, today onwards we will start it. Have a nice day.